I'm very proud to lead the manufacturing department. The group that I have is tight. We come together every day to produce product that is of superior quality. Precision is the name of the game in manufacturing. If you are making a product with precise measurements, then your product is better and your product performs consistently. What we do is a level of attention to detail and attention to quality that I don't think really exists a lot of other places. This is not a 9-to-5 position that we come in and work and then we leave and we forget about it. This is our livelihood. I have never worked with a staff that is so on top of their game from start to finish. They care about this product and they care that because they know their name's on it. We never take the details for granted, and we are always here to produce the superior product that CHEMetrics has come to be known for.